What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name's Tyler.
And I'm Will.
And today we have a pretty awesome video. As you can tell, some of you who have followed us previously, we've just changed our channel name to Whispering Wild. We plan to have a website, online, Instagram, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna be releasing some merchandise soon, so we've kind of taken that next step on growing our channel and producing better quality content for you guys, our viewers. So today we have an awesome unboxing video, and we are super jacked about this. We've had this secret now for a couple months, I guess now.
4 or 5 months.
We got a lot of big plans for this fall, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these mystery items up, if you can tell what they are, probably by the title. But we're gonna go ahead and cut them open, and we're gonna talk about them a little bit for you guys. Alright guys, so we just got these things unpackaged, and let me tell you, they are freaking sweet. We're gonna go through some specs here in a minute, but just like first impressions real quick, a lot more space than I thought, a lot lighter than I thought, and just like the colors, everything, the features on them, just from hopping in it quick and checking it out, are sweet. So we're gonna jump in, we're gonna explain some of these details and features about these kayaks, and oh man, I am so pumped. This hunting season is gonna be awesome, so let's get into it.
Alrighty guys, so one of the reasons why we wanted to partner with Old Town for this upcoming hunting season is because we are going to be putting these suckers through the ringer. We're going to be throwing everything we have at them, and Old Town is obviously known for their durability. These specific kayaks are made with a three-ply polyurethane hull construction, and Old Town also supplies a lifetime hull warranty. So if you crack these things and they start leaking water, they'll replace it.
Alright guys, so some more features are, these are considered a hybrid. They're a canoe kayak hybrid. So they're 11'9" in length, they're 32.5 inches wide, and the bow height is 18 inches. So basically with this kayak size canoe, I guess it's basically a mini canoe. There's tons of room for gear and whatever else you want to throw in there. You can put a dog in the back. They also are they're pet friendly, so there's just a lot of really awesome features that I think the hunting market side of things, these are gonna pop, and they're gonna be awesome, and everyone's gonna be using them.
Alrighty guys, so another one of the cool features on these kayaks are the adjustable foot pegs. They have multiple different positions that you can go up and down on, depending on your height and your preference for when you're kayaking. So on the right hand side, we also have a rope that adjusts the back seat to make it more comfortable and versatile depending on what you're doing with it. You can go forward and back.
Alright guys, so some more features for these kayaks. They weigh 56 pounds, so loading, unloading, getting out, if you're in a swamp or on a river, you have to go over a log crossing, very doable with this kayak. Obviously you'll have a little bit of gear, but you can pick this up, put it over your head, slide it in the truck bed, whatever you need to do. They're very weight friendly, I would say. Another thing is they have a 298 pound carrying capacity, so you can really load this sucker down with gear. And you're good to go on that side of things, which is awesome. That's, in my opinion, quite a bit of weight. I don't think I'll ever load it up that much, but we're definitely going to put that to the test this year. All right, so kind of to wrap things up here in the kayak, Will just went through some awesome features, but to top that off, foam elbow pads. On a hot summer day like today, when you're going to go out, they're soft. You're not going to bang your elbows up. Really nice with that. There's also some shotgun shell holders here and different attachments for things. You have a cup holder between your leg, and on top of that, this front rail here is pimped out. There's all different accessories you can add on to this, whether that's GoPros, you can put a gun mount there to hold your barrel of your gun. There's an endless amount of accessories you can add on to that. So kind of to wrap things up here, Will and I, our goal, a little sneak peek teaser to give you an insight on our plan for this fall, but Will and I are going to be doing a public land kayak river whitetail hunting series, archery, and we're going to put these kayaks to the test. We're going to be buzzing up small creeks, anywhere where we can get this sucker to float, we're gonna go. So we have awesome plans for that this fall, and we're really gonna put these suckers through the test and you know, be able to give you guys honest feedback on our experiences with them. But just to kind of wrap things up quick, first impressions here, you know, I can't speak for Will, but I'm blown away. You know, there's the weight, accessibility, features. I'm so jacked to use these things, and I really want to thank Old Town for partnering with us on this. And we're really excited about these things. I know we said that 100 times, but we really are. So this fall is going to be awesome. This hunting season is going to be awesome. So if you guys like this kind of video, you know, gear reviews, real hunting content and everything, guys, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, thumbs up, and comment down below what kind of system do you use for your kayak hunting. We're new to this, and we'd love to get your feedback. So stick around, we got more videos coming with this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.